Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for all you Italian food lovers out there. We'll be making some mouth-watering vegan Italian dishes that are not only delicious but also cruelty-free. So, let's dive right in. Wait, before starting the video, I introduce you Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, which help you to burn belly fat in 7 days. Now let's start. Certainly. Here's a list of ingredients for the 2 vegan Italian recipes mentioned in this video. Vegan spaghetti aglio e olio, 8 ounces, 225 g of spaghetti, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, finely chopped, a quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil, a pinch of red pepper flakes, adjust to taste, fresh parsley, chopped, salt and black pepper to taste, vegan margherita pizza, for the pizza dough, store-bought or homemade. For the pizza toppings, half a cup of homemade tomato sauce or marinara sauce, vegan. Mozzarella cheese, as much as you like, fresh basil leaves. Our first recipe is vegan spaghetti aglio e olio. It's a simple yet flavorful dish that's ready in no time. Start by sautéing finely chopped garlic in some extra virgin olive oil until it's golden brown, add a pinch of red pepper flakes for that extra kick, and toss in some fresh parsley. Now, mix in your cooked spaghetti and add some salt and black pepper to taste. Voila! Our vegan spaghetti aglio e olio is ready to be enjoyed. Simple, yet incredibly delicious. Next up, we're making vegan margherita pizza. Who doesn't love pizza, right? Roll out your pizza dough into a thin crust and spread some homemade tomato sauce. Layer on some vegan mozzarella and fresh basil leaves for that authentic margherita taste. Pop it into the oven until the crust is golden brown, and the cheese is bubbly, and there you have it, a vegan margherita pizza that's as good as any you'd find in Italy. In this video, we've shared valuable insights and practical tips to kickstart your journey towards a healthier you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your life. Click the link now and take the first step towards a happier, healthier, and more confident you. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss a scrumptious recipe like this one.